Hi guys, Jagishwar here, back with another video. So it's been a long time since I made a video. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a special item from Amazon. This item is a pretty obvious item. It's a pair of headphones, and let's see how it is and how it looks like, what's in the package. Let's unbox and see. And in this video I'm glad to say that my channel crossed 5,000 views, and it's all because of you guys. These are a pair of monitoring headphones for DJing and studio work. I bought this from Amazon for about 2,500 rupees. I'll be unboxing them today and see how it stands against in-ear buds, and how it produces the various ranges of frequency like the bass and the treble and the vocals. So I'm going to see how it works today, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys so that you can buy these if you want. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started, guys. So guys, here I am with the package in front of me, and I don't have any tables around in my house today, so I'm going to be doing the unboxing on my bed here in my bedroom. Okay, I hope you don't mind that. Without any further talking, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so guys, this is the package I got from Amazon. It's all pretty well taped up. Got my special tool here. Unbox this. I think my special tool has gone blunt. It's not cutting very well these days. Okay, I guess this is the last unboxing for this guy. Oopsie. The package is pretty huge for a headphone, and wow, look at that. That's a big box, right? Ooh, God. Sorry about that. It's already unboxed inside the box itself. Okay, sorry. So I guess I'll just put it back inside for the whole unboxing experience. Okay. So as you can see, this is the SuperLux HD681 Evo, and these are some Chinese branded headphones, but the reviews and ratings on Amazon are superb. Okay, here are the specs. I'll just keep it for a second. You can see what's all written here, and the original cost of the product is mentioned here. I hope you can see. Yeah, 3,990. Okay, let's start the unboxing. Just pull this thing out, and okay, how to open this thing? This looks like a conventional box. Okay, this looks like a conventional box. Whoa, that thing looks big. Yeah, this thing looks big. Okay, I'm going to take the whole package out. Yeah, this is the whole package. Well, I'm not complaining about anything, because as you can see here, these things are pretty solid. I thought these were small, guys, but these things are huge. Okay, wait a second. Okay, they tape these things. Okay. Open these things. Okay, let's keep that aside and see what else is in the box. I say this is pretty solid packaging, using completely cardboard to pack stuff. Okay, a lot of stuff inside. Let's see what we have here. And as you can see, this is okay, I don't know the name of this thing, but yeah, this is the 6.3 mm jack. I use it in amplifiers. So basically you can connect this to amplifiers also. And okay, good. Pair of pads, extra pads. Look at the size of those pads. Extra pads and some wiring. Good. Male to female 3.5 mm adapter. I guess this is the 1 meter pack, and this is the 3 meters one. We got the wires and a nice carrying case. It's like a bag, a small bag. So these are the stuff we get, and these are the headphones. Oh guys, this thing looks awesome. Actually, the only problem with this thing is this one, because if this connector was female, it would have been very easy for us to use an auxiliary cable to plug it in and plug it into our phones or computers or studio set, anything. As this thing is a male connector, we have to use this sort of adapter, male to female. And so I'll just remove this smaller one. Okay. Yep, got it. All you gotta do is you gotta connect this here, and you gotta connect this thing into your audio source. Let me switch on my computer and see what sort of audio this can produce. Just wait a second guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so before testing it, just wanted to show you guys how these headphones look when you wear them. Okay, so how do I look, guys? Because I can't even hear myself speaking clearly. These things are very rugged and big. My whole ear went into the what you can say, the pad, so that it provides maximum comfort and maximum sound without leaking out. So this thing looks huge and stuff. Let's connect this thing and find out what sort of audio it produces. Okay, logged in. These are some songs. Okay, I'm going to change the audio source, the audio output thing in my computer. Gotta change it. Okay, now I'll play one song. You hear it. These are the TV speakers. Okay, so these are my TV speakers at volume. Okay, I'm just gonna plug this thing in into my laptop. Okay, I'm going to play the audio now. God, I need to change the audio source here. Lol. Okay, I'm around okay, 69. Now I'm starting this thing. Let's see how it hears. I think you can listen to me because it's a semi-open headphone. Let's play. These things sound amazing, guys. Really, I didn't think I could get this much quality in this. Okay, I'm going to play this thing. You hear for yourself. I'm gonna increase the volume. Okay, the bottom line is these things sound amazing, guys. For the price I paid, I think these are pretty awesome. So guys, these headphones feel really great. Okay, the audio quality is awesome. It produces good high notes, mid notes, and but the bass notes are like average, not so great. If you are a bass head, please don't go for these earphones. But you'd like to listen music in its original form, I suggest you buy this, and only buy this if you have a laptop or a computer that you use frequently, because mobile phones don't give out that much good audio output. So the bottom line is, please do consider buying this thing if you want good and rugged pair of headphones. And if you did like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave a thumbs down and a comment, and please mention what you didn't like in this video. I'll try to do better next time. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.